Day 39 of being at home. It's Monday the 27th of April. How's your day been today, Harry?
Good, excellent again.
And we started off this morning with PE,
Yoga.
Cosmic Yoga. And how was that today? What was it about?
A bunny.
About the Easter Bunny.
And we done bunny hop.
You done bunny hops. You gonna show me?
Yeah.
Cool. So, also at the end of the yoga session, you had a new thing, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Peace out.
No, that's not new.
Oh, I thought
But
it was
it
new.
was new for Mum.
New from Mum. So that's all about relaxing. There's lots of things to get through today. Reading. What did you read?
The Giraffe, the Pelly and Me.
How much left?
Mum thinks if I read it 3 or 2 more times, I'll finish it.
Whole book. Your first ever Roald Dahl book that you read. More outside stuff. Making the most of the weather because I think it's going to rain tomorrow. Rock painting. Finish that off. Where did you take them?
I read my Google all the way up to the stones by the big egg.
And how did you take the stones?
By tying them with a piece of string from the back of my chair to the red marsh.
That's right. On the pull along. And you rode it all the way up and all the way back.
Not all the way back with the stones.
Oh no, you left.
All Mum had to pull Marshall.
Then when you got back, I think when you got back, but you made something in the garden for the Lego characters.
Zip line.
Zip line. How did you do that?
With the Lego zip line piece.
Which is a piece of wire we used before, isn't it? Like a strimmer line. And what did you have to do to get it to work? Or did it just work straight away?
We had to make the way perfect.
The balance, was it? And the weight? What was the best one that went down?
Mine.
Was it?
Because it had nothing on it, it only had the spider web.
Okay. But you got it working in the end. Did Rosie get hers working in the end?
But it fell apart. A person fell out.
Oh. Next thing on your list, you done some spellings, but they weren't just you spelling it out. What were you doing?
I was showing which one was right. And on the zip line, I pushed Roses a bit too hard and it crashed everywhere. It was funny.
What did Mum get wrong on your spellings?
Sugar.
You spotted it, and what did you say?
There's no sugar spelled right because the
Yeah, she put an ah.
Yeah, she went sa, g, a, r. No, g, e, r.
Yeah, and you spotted it, so that's good.
And then I spelled sa, g, a, r.
What did we make going over the patio to the grass today?
A go-kart ramp.
Go-kart ramp. Any good?
No.
Bit difficult and hard on the grass.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then, what's this all about?
I painted my nails.
You and Rosie? Or did Mum do hers as well? Show me your nails. All of them. And
And I put strawberry red on each of them.
yeah. So a bit of TV today, but actually I just remembered I had a challenge to do today, didn't I?
And I knocked it straight away.
What did you knock off?
The bottle.
We tied a bottle to the football goal.
And I hit it straight off.
Straight off. I can't do it though. I've been trying. You got it straight
Jammer
away.
can't even do it.
Jammer would miss it.
Yeah.
That's what he said, didn't he? So, I think that's everything. Can you think of anything else?
TV.
Yeah, what did you watch?
Barbie.
Yeah.
Ooh. And then we
Then-
watched the Ninja.
And an Avengers thing as well, wasn't it?
No.
Earlier, you watched an
Oh, yeah.
Avengers cartoon sort of thing.
And Rosie watched Barbie.
Yeah. So if you were going to give today a score out of 10, 1 is rubbish and 10 is brilliant, what's it going to be today?
110.
So,
110.
okay.
So not joined together. 100.
100 if it was out of 100, 10 if it was out of 10. Okay. Great. See you tomorrow.